Question 8, solve the following equation for x. Now this is in rational exponent form. So there's a couple ways to solve this, but since the section is called radical equations, what I'm going to do first is convert this to a radical. So to convert this to a radical, you have to remember that the numerator of this fraction is the exponent for x minus 27. So I'm going to rewrite this as x minus 27 just raised to the third, and then the 2 is the index of the radical that surrounds this entire expression. We could put a 2 there, but it's assumed to be 2 when we're talking about a square root. So now it is in radical form. So now we can solve it in a pretty clear manner. The first step is get rid of the square root symbol. So we're going to square both sides. When we do that, we're left with x minus 27. We're left with everything inside that radical. So that's x minus 27 quantity to the third power equals 64 squared, which I have no idea. So let's use the calculator. 64 squared, big number, 4,096. And then our next step to make this a lot easier is let's get rid of this exponent. What's the opposite of raising something to the third power? Well, it's taking the cube root. This is a weird problem. So we squared a square root, and now we're taking the cube root of a cube. Because taking the cube root of x minus 27 to the third power is just going to leave us with x minus 27 on the left side. But then we've also got to take the cube root of 4,096, which again, I don't know what that is. Math button, number 4, and we can type in 4,096. And we get 16. And now it's pretty straightforward. The cube root of 4,096 is 16. So our final step, add 27 to both sides, and x is going to equal whatever 16 plus 27 is. I believe that's, if I did my math right, 43.